Learn to be an artisan. Hi, Jackson.
Hello, Ava.
I've heard about your incredible craftsmanship as an artisan. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you for your kind words. Being an artisan has been a lifelong journey of creativity and dedication.
That's fascinating. Could you tell me more about what it means to be an artisan and the services you provide to clients?
As an artisan, my primary role is to create unique, handcrafted products with exceptional attention to detail. I work closely with clients to bring their artistic visions to life through various mediums, from pottery to woodworking.
It sounds like a highly creative profession. What training or skills are essential for someone aspiring to become a successful artisan?
Successful artisans need a deep understanding of their chosen craft, whether it's ceramics, glass blowing, or any other artisanal skill. Patience, artistic talent, and a strong work ethic are also crucial.
How did you acquire these skills and training, Jackson?
I started by apprenticing under experienced artisans and attending art schools. There are also many workshops and classes available for aspiring artisans to learn and develop their craft.
If someone dreams of becoming an artisan, where should they begin looking for opportunities?
Building a portfolio of your work is a great first step. You can then explore local craft fairs, art galleries, or even consider opening your own artisan shop to showcase and sell your creations.
Speaking of opportunities, what about the income potential in the artisan industry?
Income as an artisan can vary widely based on factors such as the type of art, the quality of your work, and your client base. Some artisans sell their pieces individually, while others take on commission projects.
Being an artisan seems like an incredibly fulfilling way to express creativity and create one-of-a-kind pieces.
It truly is, Ava. If you have a passion for craftsmanship and are willing to put in the effort, being an artisan can lead to a deeply satisfying and artistically rewarding career.
Catch you later!